What's going on, guys? Today's video. Today, I know there's no webcam, but like I've been trying to make this video for like 30 minutes. It's not working. This mother clocker right here, Screencastify, is not working, and I need it to work. And so, yes, I'm gonna do this real quick, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the video real quick. What is
I
this?
think they're scared of me. They've never seen this man before.
Oh my gosh! Like, there's 6 cats. This is Down Army. Like, you guys might know them. Not my subscribers, but they're really good. Why do like cats do that? Like, what do you expect to happen? You slip off. I'm gonna try not to laugh about it. Oh, hi. Jeez. Lazy day out, guys. This is a lazy day. Look at this stuffed animal that I'm using, guys. I seen this. I'm not.
Ender, what?
Oh no! No! Oh no! Good fall. Hey, fall again. What do you expect, cat? Like, expect to do everything right? Get your payback. Oh.
There it goes.
Oh my god. Yes. You're dead. You do. Pull him, yes, pull him. Parental paper, chill out. Oh no. Stay. No! What's the bad for the cat, guys? Is he sleeping? Oh no. Nope, I think he was sleeping, to be honest. Oh!
Oh no. How are you gonna get down?
Help him, you bully! No, that's funny, guys. Oh, poor cat.
Oh no way!
That's
You are too fat for that shit.
Отдай булку мне. Это булка, дурак. Отдай. Отдай мне булку. Отдай булку мне. Боря, это что такое? Булку мне отдай. Успокойся и отдай мне булку. Боря. Боря. Ты долго висеть будешь? Ну это не серьезно.
He wants that bread or something.
Вот сволочь!
Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. No. Poor kitty. You're really close for some reason. But yeah, I didn't get to make an outro on this video because like something went wrong. I thought I wasn't recording, but I actually was. So I'm sorry. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. 1 like on this video. 2 likes. I don't know. I don't care. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, peace. That was retarded. Thanks.